You feel that you are able to understand English, but when it comes to talk in English language, that time you find that you are unable to speak in English language. So do not worry, because it is not only your problem, it is the problem of all the learners. They are facing the same problem, and I was also like you. When I started my journey, so that time I was able to understand everything, whatever was written in any book copy. I was catching every words, but when it came to start speaking, that time I don't know, God knows what did used to happen with me. I was unable to speak in English language. So that time I was feeling like giving up. So guys, once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And guys, in today's video I'm going to talk about the reasons because of that we are unable to speak in English language. Even if we can understand everything, we understand everything, but when it comes to talk in English language, when it comes to start speaking, that time we are unable. So I will talk about the reasons, and I will give you some solution that will help you to start speaking in English language. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So if I talk about first reason because of that we are unable to speak in English language, that is our practice. Yes guys, that is our practice, because we just try to understand every words, and we just keep these things in our mind that you are able to understand everything means you can speak in English language. And because of this kind of thoughts, we do not try to speak in English language. And when it comes to start speaking, that time we do not feel like talking, we do not are able to speak in English language. That is the reason, because of not doing practice in that way, right? We always think that if I am able to understand, so I would be speaking in English language in future. And I can speak in English language if I can understand, so I have understanding power, so I can speak. And we do not try to speak in English language. That's why it is happening with all of us that we are not able to speak in English language. So I hope that you are getting this point. So start speaking if you can understand, so you don't need to think about this language so much. You just need to start speaking in English language. Start whatever you know, just give your introduction every day, means just twist your tongue for speaking in English language. And main reason is that you do not try to twist your tongue, because you are not habitual to speak in English language. And suddenly when you try to speak in English language, that English words do not come in your mind because you are not habitual. So just make this language speaking as your habit and see the drastic change. First of all, you need to make these things as a habit. Just make these things as your daily habit, then you will try to speak in English language automatically. Just you need to work on your speaking or work on your tongue. If you are able to twist your tongue, if you are able to speak your daily routine at least a 1 minute 2 minutes, so you can see the drastic change. The first reason was that we do not try to speak in English language. We always think that we are able to understand, so we can easily speak in English language. That is the first reason. And if I talk about second reason, that is we always find ourselves in that zone where we do not try to speak in English language, means we do not find ourselves in that situation that from where we could start speaking. Suppose that if I talk about the example, so अगर मैं बात करूँ कि अगर मैं अपने आप को सिचुएशन में नहीं पा रही हूँ जहाँ पे मुझे इंग्लिश में बात करनी, तो मैं कभी कोशिश नहीं करूँगी, राइट? आई विल नेवर ट्राई टू स्पीक इन इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज इफ़ आई एम नॉट इन दैट सिचुएशन. मतलब आपको सिचुएशन क्रिएट करनी कि आप कैसे इंग्लिश में बात कर सकते हो. सिचुएशन लाओ कि आपको इंग्लिश में वहाँ पे बोलनी ही बोलनी है, right? It is like your practice. You can think about your practice. Suppose that आज आप कुछ वीडियोस देख लियो, तो उसके बाद आप रिलेट कर सकते हो कि वीडियो देखने के बाद मैं इसको अपने टंग में, अपने वर्ड्स में कैसे मैं एलाबोरेट कर सकती हूँ. यू हैव टू ट्राई टू elaborate those all things from your own self, from your own, so that you could understand the level of English speaking, and you could understand yourself that how are you in speaking. You have to understand these two concepts, and after that I am sure that if you understand these two things, these two reasons, if you work on these two reasons, so definitely you will start speaking in English language. And guys, mostly people are not able to speak in English language because of they do not have words. They do not have words for speaking, and they just capturing the words, and they are just capturing the words from any videos, but they do not try to speak that in their practical life. Because of that, they are not able to speak in English language. So I hope that you got three reasons that I have told you. First is lack of practice. Second is not trying to speak in English language. Third is do not having words. So just need to work on this three reason. And after that, if I talk about solution, there is only one solution, that is just to start practicing on your speaking skill. You have done your watching English videos practice, you have done your listening practice, you have done writing practice. So what you have to do next, you have to work on speaking practice. Only you have to work on speaking, so that you could twist your tongue and you could start speaking. You have to make these things, you have to make speaking English as your habit. You have to do this every day, so that you could start speaking. It is very easy things, it is very easy task for us if you are learning this language. So I hope that you got something from this video, and I hope that you will start speaking in English language from today onwards. There is only one reason because of that we are not able to speak in English language, that is not doing practice. Yes guys, this is the reason and this is the solution. If you work on this reason, so definitely you will be able to speak in English language. It is not big mountain for us. Okay, so guys, I hope that you got something from this video. If this video helped you to start speaking in English language, so they share this video who needs this video. And I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye, have a nice day.